Hello and welcome back. Okay, today I'm gonna pick the padlock that I got from Leon's Lockpad some months ago. Now I have picked it a couple of times, but this is the most camera shy padlock I've ever come across. I've tried 3 or 4 times to get it on camera, but to no avail, unfortunately. So today is the day. I thought I'd try and have one more go at it and see what it takes to get into it. It's a tricky little thing, it is, I must say. So let's get myself a pick and a tension wrench, and let's see what it takes to get into this bad boy. Let's just get you squared up. There we go. Okay. It's a 5-pinner. Now I'm not going to be taking it apart because I haven't got a little Allen wrench to get into the grub screws at the top. So it's just like a little picking video. Okay. So pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 5. And pin 1. I thought I had it then. Okay, let's just go for pin 3. Okay, pin 3. And do we get, that's it, nice and gently. Come on, there we go, I think we got it. Nope. So I mean, it's a tricky little monkey is. There we go, pin 3. Come on. What a bugger, it's done me again. Gotcha. Just going to say, it's a padlock, for God's sake. Absolutely excellent work, Leon. What I forgot to say at the beginning of the video is if you haven't checked out Leon's Lockpad channel, then you know, I've said it before and I'll say it again, you've just got to get yourself over there. Awesome little padlock. I'm glad I finally got it on camera. I'm going to send this away to the next person to have a go on it. As I said, thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care now. Bye.